Uh, See, I have been going through the deliberations which are happening in this conference for the last 2 days, and we can safely say that with this pandemic, the, Mr. Mankikar, you are there now. Please
Yeah,
begin.
sorry. Yeah. Like Murphy's Law, when you want things to work, they don't work. So,
Yes,
I
I
mean,
was
up till
trying to
now, my
step into
network was
issues, it
working
didn't
fine,
work.
and suddenly I find my.
Even I was trying to step into your shoes, it didn't
Anyway,
work.
it's a nice and interesting. So, a nice a topic which was suggested to us by Zahid. Typically, how to engage customers, present and new. And we find, I mean, I have been working in a bank, and alongside in my latter part of my career, I was also handling business. And one thing which we were doing as normal work was doing budgeting for the year. And this year is something which is very unique. And when we say unique, A, we have been affected by the pandemic. B, we have been brought in by various regulatory requirements which all banks are expected to comply. C, suddenly we find that you know the whole scenario of banking has undergone a change. And when we, I mean, even now, the change is apparent. Earlier we used to say hello and hi, and now we said, "Can you hear me? Am I audible?" So this is the kind of change which is coming around. And more important, from the banking scenario, if we see, we are redefining our ABC. Okay, so the ABC of banking is moving away from traditional banking to alternate business channels. So the new ABC which we are learning today is the alternate business channels, and this is where I assume that all of us as bankers, we are looking forward that this is where banking is going to lead us. And when we are looking at these times of pandemic, when especially the economy is going sluggish, when the customers are facing a lot of issues, especially credit offtake is low, business is not picking up well, and all around per se, the economy is in a bit of a tatter. And in this kind of a scenario, the challenges which the cooperative sector faces, especially in engaging with the customers. So here we would like to take this opportunity to have this discussion from each of these zones. Now, fortunately for us, the panel here today represents the various geographical regions of India. We have Anurag ji coming from north of India, Jai Verma ji coming from south of India, Narendra Dabis ji coming from Rajasthan, and we have Mohite ji coming from Pune. So different areas having different geographies, different customer requirements, and I mean, I look forward to a real interesting session. So
Okay.
Anurag ji, I think you can start off and
Thank
say
you.
how the federation
Thank,
is geared up or the banks in Uttar Bharat are geared up to take care of this changing
thank you,
times
Mankikar
and
sir.
engaging. Yeah.
Yeah, thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. See, whether we like it or not, the pandemic is here and this COVID is going to stay for long. The economy is not doing very well, is known to everybody. So, profitability of the banks is under pressure. The banks are seriously worried about the net profit that they are going to earn in this year, and especially the NPAs which may rise. So, given all this scenario, this pandemic, I think, has given us an opportunity to relook at the way we are working. We know that the other way of earning profit is to cut cost. So, cost cutting is going to be a major thing. As a bank, we face customers for all age segments, right from grandfather to grandson. And the way they do business is also has a generation shift. I mean, what the younger people want to do with a click, the elder ones are not even ready to do that. But we have to bring the change because they are the future, and that is the future of banking, and that is where we can cut our cost. So, distribution points will have to be increased. ATMs tie up with other ATMs, that kind of cash dispensation. I see that the branches in future will become smaller and smaller in size. And certain areas of banking which we are doing currently will certain things are likely to vanish. For example, for all big customers, you have a relationship manager. When you don't meet a person, what relationship can you develop? All relationship has to come by the click. It doesn't have to come by personal visits. So this pandemic will force you to think into such ways that you are able to cut your cost, meet your customer expectations, and ultimately earn profit for the banks. In these trying and testing times, we are also faced with the new regulations. New regulations may not affect us directly today, but the apprehension that every banker, cooperative banker has in his mind is there to stay for very long. And the kind of effect that it is going to have is not clear as of now, especially for large banks. When I say large, 100 crores and above banks, where board of management is going to come. Now,
Right.
that is going to be an impediment. It is going to be a facilitator. We are not sure. Only time is tell. For all our spheres, unfortunately, we don't have a history to look at. Whether it is pandemic, we don't have a pandemic where we can look at and say last time it happened like this, so this time it is like. Even in the regulation thing, we don't have anything in the past to look at today. So we have to find our way, grapple through this. That is going to be the biggest challenge, I feel. Having said that, the banks are apprehensive. That is my feeling. That is my feeling. Banks are apprehensive, and apprehensive both on the regulations under which they have to work and apprehensive on the kind of economic scenario that we have in front of us today. So, in these uncertain times, we are advising our banks to reinvent themselves, to find ways to cut costs, and raise capital. Now, raise capital. The new regulation says that you can raise capital by issuing shares. Now, which is something which you have not heard of in the past. The Reserve Bank of India has also not come out with the rules and guidelines under which you can do this, which bank can do, which bank cannot do. So these kind of uncertainties will plague our system, the cooperative bank scenario here. When you talk to others, the kind of apprehensions they express and the kind of opportunities that they see, the biggest thing is the adoption of technology. Now, saying that adoption of technology is a good thing and we should do it is very easy. But the banks, the smaller banks, find it very difficult because technology, if it is scalable, if it has to be the cutting edge, if it has to be today's technology, is expensive. Now, where to recover the cost from? These are the biggest challenges which the cooperative banks are facing today, sir, in my area. Sir, you are not audible, you are muted.
Yeah, Jayammaji, coming to your side from south of India and especially Kerala. Kerala also, is a very vibrant sector as far as the cooperatives is concerned, and especially with cooperative banks and more so the service banks which are there. They are catering to every nook and corner of the state. So, how do you feel this present situation, and how do the banks and the service banks there? What steps are they taking to face these uncertainties?
Everyone, hello. Okay, can you hear all my friends?
Yes, yes.
Yeah, we can hear.
I welcome to all my friends. The days with the sharing. I think that I am in the back chair. No problem. see, because I tried to get into login, my friends, your company persons are not rightly given the operation methodology, so no problem. Anyhow, late is better than earlier. Okay, I'm not to describe the all structure scenario of the Kerala or South states positions pre and post BR Act amendment. As per the section 45 of the BR Act, the urban banks volume of business can be made very bigger size, very bigger, like any big size as a balloon. You can breathe and give an air to and a balloon to how much you use your pressure to give air to the balloon, that to extend that balloon size. Can you follow my example? Like this, this is the actual seen post BR Act section. I mean, there are so many advantages as per and also some issues. As my earlier friend submitted some apprehensions, I also joined with my friend's opinion, because now in Kerala, now I am in the meeting, President's meeting, conducting in Irinyalakuda ITC Bank, one of the biggest urban bank in the state. Here in Kerala, ITC Bank, it is short form ITC Bank, Irinyalakuda Town Urban Cooperative Bank. Their volume is above than thousands. Okay. The issues are, earlier December circular, the Reserve Bank have given BOD and BOM principles and given 31st is the cutoff date at 2020. Actually, after the introduction of the new act, I mean, firstly March 3rd, the bill was placed before the parliament. That cannot be, that could not have to be passed due to the unexpected scenario, the pandemic COVID, and that was again postponed. And ordinance was issued. Okay, that you know, all my friends are know the stage by stage. Finally, the bill was passed without any discussion also. Actually, some points to be clarified from the part of regulator, that is RBI. The issues which are faced now is, one, already there was a circular issued by the Reserve Bank of India that ends in 2000, that is, that the limitation is 2000, December 31st cutoff date. Before that, what actions to be taken? I think that two are mandate regulatory, that is regulatory and statutory prescriptions. There are two prescriptions. One is regulatory prescriptions, another is statutory prescriptions. Here the regulatory prescription is that BOM and CO posting. In Kerala, here so many banks are already appointed CEOs. And another thing is that BOM, Board of Management, you know the qualification required for the eligibility for induction of the BOM members in the committee. You know, we are not to be time for spending that discussions. But actually, I think that this BOM is subsisting even now after the promulgation of the new act. BOM is existing. You should have to be clarified. Later, my friends will clarify. Is it right or wrong? Anyhow, our topic is old customer and new customer. Okay, old customer and new customer. You have some old friends and you have to catch new friends. A medium-aged fellow like UCBs, we are instant Mr. Ghost and See actually. Or otherwise I am telling that two big pillars. One pillar is old customer and another pillar is new customer. And I am sitting between, the UCBs are sitting between these two customers. How to build up, retaining the old customer, that is your topic. How to retain the old customer, how to attract canvas the new customer. Regarding in the South peoples, including Kerala, Tamil Nadu, people, we are suffering a lot from systems. Actually, core banking system in the National Federation, NAFCA, my earlier committee has approved some panel, vendors panel. What happened is vendors? I am not blaming my old friends. I was on that meeting also. What happened is the CBS system fully not in correct position in our state also. I am not mentioning those vendors' name. That is not necessary for my this time to spend that time. That what I mean, what I am trying to tell is the CBS system is costly now, even nowadays in Kerala, because their period is exhausted. The renewal time is they are again bargaining new fees for the ASP model, not this model, ASP model. Okay, can you hear? Can you follow? Okay. Not follow.
If we look at
So that the hello, hear me? Here.
yeah.
Yes, yes.
Okay. Then we okay. Coming to my point, the old customers in the system is we want to retain it. How to retain in the system, in the data? It is we are worried about. The vendors are not be how to make up or adjusted with the financial position of the banks. My elder friend also already opined that the cost of technology is increased, not reduced in our states. This juncture, you people have to intervene the scenario to provide updated technology. You suggested so many technologies. We are going to the track of that technology. People are going to that technology. Of course, we want that technology, but we are challenging with the commercial banks. UBC, UCBs, now after the new enactment also, we are facing new challenges also. Then to retain all the customers, we have to have our financial position to be expanded by how to expand it for the weaker sections, weaker banks, and how to the medium level. That is also first problem. Issue to retain the old customers. Regarding the attraction of the new customer is also issues are one and same, because every 20 years old young youth, what is their one? We want to get the money at the insert. You can do the technology. You can use the technology, but the updated technology cannot be used in the sick banks, middle tier banks in our state, also in the south states. It is the problems created. Though that my suggestion is that you, we, and you, not you, we people have to be adopted and reduce the cost of the technology aspect and provide and facilitate the technology to improve their part. Then the second point I like to get into is I already started with the section 45, the conversion of the bank. Conversion of the bank. See, this is the role of the umbrella organization. Mr. Dasar is in our committee, NAFCA committee, and Dasar is also, but under umbrella organization, we have the apprehension that it will come to the structure and configuration of the spirit of the cooperative movement. Actually, that was. Hello.
If you
Hello?
let me, I think we'll restrict our discussion to on customers, because we all understand the problem which the sector faces. But the topic under discussion today is customer engagement. So I think if you can concentrate more on that issue, because the other regulatory and all okay. We could
Sir, one
have
minute.
forum.
Sir, right? In the cost of technology increasing. Cost is increasing. And technology increasing. That is my point. The second is effective product in UCBs. Hello. Second point is cost role of umbrella organization in implementation of cost-effective product in UCBs. Second point. My third point is bank got leveraged to nominate professional to appoint into the board. That is another suggestion from my part. There are a few points to be highlighted before you. One is the paramount important is the cost of technology is increasing to that extent. Role of umbrella organization, that I try to explain, then you have interrupted, don't to explain that part. But the role of the role of umbrella organization. Can you follow me? Role of umbrella organization. Can you be umbrella organization? That is already in the already in the senior law. We have already formulated, and my friend will know. In the NAFTA also people know how far we reached the umbrella organization. So that extent to coming to umbrella organization in the implementation of cost-effective product in UCBs is to be discussed, and that will be okay. The last my point is banks got leverage to nominate professional to appoint into the board. That is another point. And these ways we can be improve our customer relationship, and we can have the our business to be improved. That is my suggestion.
Okay, sir. Thank you so much.
Our subject is the
Subhash ji, can we have your views? I mean, can you switch on your video? We cannot see you. Or if you're having network problems, we can have with Narendra ji.
Yes, sir.
Narendra ji, I think the others are. You can say what your banks in your region, or how the federation, the Rajasthan Federation, is taking care of banks in furthering customer engagement in your area.
सर सबसे पहले तो मैं आपका धन्यवाद करूंगा सभी का। दूसरी बात ये कोविड के बाद में बिजनेस मॉड्यूल चेंज हो गए, लोगों का एक्सपेक्टेशन चेंज हो गए है, वे ऑफ बिजनेस चेंज हो गया। वी आर हमें अपने आप को चेंज करना पड़ेगा। पेंडेमिक में कस्टमर सर्विस और टेक्नोलॉजी दोनों चीजों पे करके ही आप चला सकते हो, क्योंकि आपका अगर पेंडेमिक में एक ब्रांच बंद है, कोई भी वहां आपके पॉजिटिव पेशेंट्स है या पॉजिटिव स्टाफ आ गया और आपकी ब्रांच बंद होगी, आपका ये तो व्हाट इज द रिडंडेंसी वी है। मेरा ये मानना है कि कोऑपरेटिव सेक्टर या हम लोग जिस सेक्टर में बैठे हैं, हमारे को डिजास्टर रिकवरी के अलावा पहली बार लाइफ में ऐसा रिडंडेंसी पे बैंकिंग चलाने का मौका मिला है। हेलो,
या रिडंडेंसी क्या है, ये टेस्ट करने का मौका मिला।
रवि सर, शायद मेरे यहाँ से कनेक्टिविटी का कोई इशू है। कैन यू हियर मी?
या वी कैन हियर।
Yes.
हेलो,
यस, हाँ सुन सकते हैं।
मेरे यहाँ कुछ कनेक्टिविटी का शायद इशू है।
हेलो, सुन सकते हैं, आप बोलिए।
हाँ, तो इस पोजीशन में हमें अपने कस्टमर को रिटेन करना और फ्यूचर कस्टमर को बनाने के लिए हमें अपनी स्ट्रेटेजी को एज पर एनवायरनमेंट, एज पर प्रेजेंट सिनेरियो उसके आधार पे करनी पड़ेगी। तो हमने जैसे राजस्थान, हमारी राजस्थान गुजरात में ब्रांचेज है, तो कस्टमर को अगर आपका ऑन बोर्ड जोड़े हुए है, आप किसी के थ्रू अगर कई अर्बन बैंक इंटरनेट पे नहीं है, IMPS से जोड़े हुए, व्हाट्सएप के ग्रुप बने हुए, आपने उनके ऊपर RM लगाए हुए हैं, आप एक सेगमेंट को अलग अलग लोगों से जोड़े हुए हैं, तो इन केस एनी कोई भी प्रॉब्लम है या आपको रिडंडेंसी में बैंकिंग चालू करनी है, आपकी 2 ब्रांचें बंद है या कोई किसी कारण किसी एरिया में कर्फ्यू है, तब आप उसमें आप अपने सर्विसेज के हिसाब से और आपकी IT टेक्नोलॉजी प्लस न्यूज, आप इस टेक्नोलॉजी के आधार पर कस्टमर सर्विस दे पाए। मेरा तो एक ही मानना है कि इस पोजीशन में हमें ये मालूम हो गया कि हम टेक्नोलॉजी के बिना बैंकिंग नहीं चला सकते। मैं प्रेजेंट प्रैक्टिकल उदाहरण दूं, 46 ब्रांचों में से एट द टाइम ऑफ मई एंड जून हमारी करीब 2 ब्रांचें, कभी 3 ब्रांचें लॉकडाउन होती थी इन्फेक्टेड पेशेंट की वजह से या स्टाफ की वजह से। उस टाइम हमने सूरत की ब्रांच को सिरोही से सर्विस दिया है। जयपुर के एक ब्रांच बंद होगी, किसी एरिया में कर्फ्यू है, तो कस्टमर को सर्विस IMPS या नेट बैंकिंग या कैश के थ्रू दिया है। तो जो आप जो कह रहे थे, इट इज द चैलेंज टू एग्जिस्टिंग कस्टमर को हम कैसे मेंटेन करें और नए न्यू जनरेशन को कैसे लगे, in this scenario, maybe it is cooperative bank or private bank or nationalized bank, जिनका टेक्नोलॉजी और सर्विस दोनों ही पे मैच किया है, वो आपके साथ कस्टमर सर्विस रखेगा। मैं आपको एक सूरत का उदाहरण दूंगा, एक उदयपुर का उदाहरण दूंगा। उदयपुर के अंदर लोकल एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन ने सभी बैंक बंद कर दी। तब हमारी एक ब्रांच खुली थी, हमने उसको स्कैन के थ्रू स्टाफ को बोला और स्टाफ ने या कस्टमर ने स्कैन के थ्रू अपने चेक भेज दिए, हमने उसको कर दिया। जबकि कई लोगों ने इसको नहीं किया तो कस्टमर को सर्विसेज नहीं मिली है। आप ये सर्विसेज आप एक्सट्रीम लेवल तक जाके देंगे तो न्यू जनरेशन का कस्टमर भी हमारे साथ जुड़ेगा
जी।
तो मेरा एक ही चीज मानना है, दो चीज, आपके पास स्किल मैन पावर, विजन ऑफ मैनेजमेंट एंड टेक्नोलॉजी, इन तीनों का हाइब्रिड सॉल्यूशन लेगा के विथ एग्रेशन, जब कस्टमर को जिस चीज की जरूरत है हम सॉल्यूशन ले जाएंगे तो दोनों ही चीजें मेंटेन कर सकते हैं। इस पेंडेमिक में, इस कोविड के अंदर मैंने प्रैक्टिकली ये देखा है और उसका रिजल्ट पॉजिटिव, आई गॉट पॉजिटिव रिजल्ट फ्रॉम द पब्लिक, स्पेशली फॉर द न्यू जनरेशन कस्टमर्स।
करेक्ट। अभी हाल ही में जो रिजर्व बैंक ने टेक्नोलॉजी विजन डॉक्यूमेंट किया है,
Yes, sir.
that again specifies, and that document typically has lot of involvement of NAFCA and the federations in creating this technology platform plus training. So what they say that the federation should take an active role in promoting technology and in promoting skill upgradation amongst all the banks.
यहाँ पे मैं एक चीज कहूँगा, कई बैंकों में मैं स्पेशल भी कहता हूँ कि टेक्नोलॉजी की ट्रेनिंग और टेक्नोलॉजी के वर्कशॉप के लिए हम लोग थोड़ा पीछे हैं और मेरा ये मानना है कि इसको एग्रेसिवली आगे चलाना चाहिए, तभी आप पूरी बैंक को आगे चला पाएंगे, क्योंकि टेक्नोलॉजी के बिना बैंक नहीं चल रही और आप सर्विस नहीं दे पाएंगे।
जी
जी।
दूसरा एक जो मुद्दा होता है कि टेक्नोलॉजी हो या सिक्योरिटी हो, ये दोनों चीजें एक्सपेंसिव, आई मीन अगर आप देखेंगे, क्योंकि हमें वी हैव टू कम्पीट विद द प्राइवेट सेक्टर बैंक्स एंड द पब्लिक सेक्टर बैंक्स एंड द लेवल ऑफ टेक्नोलॉजी विच दीज नहीं मैं सही करता हूँ। मेरा कहना है कि उनसे कम्पीट करने के लिए उन्होंने जो टेक्नोलॉजी डाली है वही टेक्नोलॉजी अडॉप्ट करने की गरज नहीं है। हम जो तरीके से हम उसको अफोर्ड कर सकते हैं, जो तरीके से हम उसको इस्तेमाल कर सकते हैं, वो टेक्नोलॉजी का वापर करके वी कैन आल्सो प्रोवाइड द सेम काइंड ऑफ सर्विसेज। सी व्हाट इज इंपॉर्टेंट इज द बैंक शुड बी इन अ पोजीशन टू प्रोवाइड द सर्विस, और यहाँ द बेस्ट एग्जांपल इज कोलैबोरेशन। आज अगर हमने देखा कि
sorry to intervene, if people had listened to what Mr. Viral Acharya had to say yesterday, he was mentioning about the Open Credit Enablement Network, OCN, which Mr. Nandan Nilekani is piloting. Now, once that comes, they will be directly targeting our small ticket customers. And loan to these customers will be available from faceless entities through faceless processes. So if we don't entertain and enter into new technologies, if we don't tie up with these kind of people, if we are not on the same network, same platform, our existence will be further hampered and dampened. So adoption of technology is not something which is voluntary. It has become mandatory.
Yes, sir. I agree with you, sir. I strongly agree. Because if we want to survive, we must be adopt the latest technology.
Yes,
and ready to change.
See, just like you mentioned, and I will also talk about it. Okay, wallets are now given by telecom agencies, Airtel or even Amazon and all, Google Pay. So all these wallets which are coming in from non-banking entities, these are also going to give a lot of challenge to the banks, where the payment systems are being enabled. So somewhere we have to go and adopt. We have to and collaboration is going to help us into, we have to come together, form a platform where we can make affordable technology which can be used by even the smaller banks, because it
Yes,
should
sir.
not
Yes.
happen that only the big banks take advantage of technology and the smaller
No.
banks are left outside.
But
So
if you
somewhere this
carefully analyze what Mr. Jayvarma has said,
yes,
technology is something, our size is so small that it is very difficult for cooperative banks to compete with the banks like State Bank of India or HDFC or ICICI. So until and unless there is some help hand holding which we get on technology front, it will be difficult for us to survive.
right.
That is
So
correct.
we must
In fact,
jointly work on this kind of
यस यस सर
platform.
सर अनुराग सर, मैं आपकी बात से पूर्ण सहमत हूँ। रवि सर, मैं भी आपकी बात जो कह रहे हैं वही बात रहा हूँ कि टेक्नोलॉजी हमें करनी है, हमें अफोर्ड करने की कैपेसिटी नहीं है, बट वही हम पूरा एक पूरा ग्रुप बना के और अफोर्डेबल टेक्नोलॉजी को मिलके करें तो कॉस्टिंग हमारी कम आएगी।
कम
हम
आएगी।
लूप में जाके, एक सही बात है, एपेक्स बॉडी है हमारा, एक ग्रुप ऑफ पर्सन या ग्रुप ऑफ बैंक्स का मिलके उसमें आप लोगों को जैसे कोई टेक्नोलॉजी एक्सपर्ट साथ में हो जाए तो इस टेक्नोलॉजी में मिनिमम कॉस्ट में अफोर्डेबल कर सकते हैं। मे बी अनुराग सर, मैं जो आप बात करें वही मैं भी कह रहा हूँ सर,
नहीं ठीक है
क्योंकि
सर,
टेक्नोलॉजी के बिना हम ऑर्गेनाइजेशन चला नहीं सकते। मैं क्लियर वर्ड
नहीं
एक
चला
जो
सकते,
कह रहा हूँ,
नहीं चल पाएगा।
और इट इज द रेस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी ऑफ द बोर्ड एंड सीईओ आल्सो, रेपुटेशनल रिस्क आल्सो। अगर एक बैंक के साथ कुछ प्रॉब्लम हो जाए,
Correct.
कुछ भी हो जाए तो दूसरे दिन से लाइन लग जाती है।
सही बात है,
रवि सर,
पूरा सेक्टर इफेक्ट
हम
होता है।
सुभाष
पूरा
जी की
सेक्टर
बात
इफेक्टेड हो रहा है। रवि सर बताइए आप।
ऑनलाइन नहीं, सुभाष जी को वो आते हैं जाते हैं, शायद उनको भी नेटवर्क का इशू आ रहे हैं। नहीं, आप जो कह
जी,
रहे
जी।
हैं इसमें जो सबसे अहम मुद्दा अभी ये जो साइबर सिक्योरिटी का जो सर्कुलर आया था, बिकॉज व्हाट यू आर सेइंग इज जैसे टेक्नोलॉजी का वापर बढ़ता है and we go more into technology, we also need to ensure that we have to put in place good security practices. Now security practices, one part is technology, the other part is processes. So कहीं तो जो एक भावना रहती है कोऑपरेटिव बैंक्स में कि हम छोटे हैं या हम को अफेक्ट नहीं होगा, ऐसे भी ध्यान में आया कि जब ये पैंडेमिक शुरू हुआ तो ज्यादा जो अफेक्ट हुए ये छोटे बैंक्स अफेक्ट हुए। कम से कम 60 से 70 बैंक्स में अटैक हुए हैं इन दिस पैंडेमिक टाइम, और ये जो अटैक हुए थे उसमें उनको जो नुकसान हुआ, ऐसी भी एक स्थिति आ सकती है कि वो जो लॉस उनका होता है उन एनुअल इनकम से भी ज्यादा हो सकता है। सो कहीं ना कहीं सिक्योरिटी भी, जैसे हम टेक्नोलॉजी शेयरिंग की बात कर रहे हैं तो वैसे सिक्योरिटी शेयरिंग की भी हमको एक ध्यान रखना पड़ेगा। मोहिते जी, आप ऑनलाइन आए हैं तो आपके विचार जरा आप बताइए।
हेलो,
सुभाष जी,
कैन यू हियर मी?
सुभाष जी,
मेरा आवाज आ रहा है?
आ रहा है सब, आ रहा है।
वीवर, हाँ आ रहा है।
हाँ, वापस बोलिए आप।
You can give the perspective of how
हेलो,
you can give the perspective of how the Pune District Association is handling the present situation and how the banks there are geared up to engage the customer.
अभी सिचुएशन जो अभी के है आफ्टर पेंडेमिक और कोविड, we all are facing so many multiple problems. We are
I think we have lost his voice.
Yeah, his network I think is weak.
Yes, yes.
हेलो,
हाँ मोहिती जी, आपका नेटवर्क का शायद इशू है, यू कैन कंटिन्यू।
मेरा कहना है अभी ये cooperative banks are facing so many multiple problems, and therefore comprehensive revamping solution is the need of the hour. That is my contention. Banks should work on policies, ensure the optimum efficiency, focus on recovery, proper scrutiny of loan proposals, training of the staff, external and internal marketing. All these places are there where we have to work. So far as our association is concerned, we have tried our level best to train the staff of the bank as well as the directors of the bank. Because in this present situation, the directors has to understood their bank, the situation, and for resolving the problems before us, first it is my contention or our association's contention that our staff should be trained, our directors should be trained. They have to understood the situation. They have understood how to work.
I think पूना वाले का दोनों का ऑडियो डाउन हो गया है. So we must continue.
Hello.
Mr. Jayavarma, you have anything more to add, please?
Yes, sir, sir. Then one more point I want to be highlighted, sir.
Sir.
I have already 2 or 3 points. Another point is tailor-made product for customers, which is customer-friendly and cost-effective product using technology. Can you note this? My point. Tailor-made products for customers.
Yes, we'll have to work on something like that, sir.
For
Sir,
IT or
sir.
for customer?
Sir, adding one more for customers. Sir, that which is customer friendly and that is more friendly and cost effective product using technology. That is my another point. That is the I have to put up this point also to add this point. In Kerala pandemic situation, I not missed that point. But sir, in Kerala, the rate, the level is now very worsening. In neck to neck with Maharashtra in Kerala, the reported cases are too large. There are so many containment zones, and our customers cannot be reached into our office. So the technology, the topic we have to be discussing this this event. This is most important for because of this pandemic situation. Because the customer cannot be enter or came to our front door. See, we cannot see the customer, and you can missing that customer. This juncture, this is the product. This is see in total. My friend, my friend also submitted that the technology aspect. For the last 10 years, we have not fruitfully used the mechanism from the regulator and our apex bodies also. They are making so many suggestions. Okay, I agree. I am not in a negative attitude. But the pandemic situation is a greater situation, recent situation, Kerala. Now the 2,000 slips are using one branch in Kerala. Now there cannot be even 100 slips in the issues. Because they are afraid to come into the premises. You can use sanitizer, you can use mask, but you cannot use the technology. What is the problem? You suggested use mask, you suggested use sanitizer, and you are suddenly keep the distance, social distance. Now the social distance is also in Kerala for the technology aspect. We are in keep away from the commercial banks, scheduled banks, technology aspect. For the attraction of the new generation and new customers, it is a right time, the situation is the right time to adopt new or provide technology to some level to UCBs. At least for the 6 banks or above than 6 banks, average banks. I mean above than, this is my suggestion.
This is the right time, sir. We should think on these lines and try to find a solution. The problem is common for all the banks. So I think one kind of solution should work for all. So yes, the apex level and the
But
state
Anuragji, when
federation
we are
will have.
talking of a common solution, when we are talking of
Common
common
sense.
solution, we should also look at standardization of processes. So
Correct,
if
correct,
we
correct.
have processes that are standard, it will be easy to
Yes,
implement across all banks. So
yes.
somewhere
Only then it can be
like-minded,
implemented. Yes.
you know,
Manikarji,
yeah,
Manikarji, one language for one nation, one. This is all what slogan. Okay, one software technology, one system for every bank. Can you use this cooperative sector now?
Why not? Why not?
Why
sir,
not? Why not?
that is, see,
We are suggesting that one unique Aadhaar card. You avoid such numbers. Now you have to one ration card for one nation. I think that can you the courage to promote one software for UCBs for entire cross sectors, Beda army enjoying, Chota army dying. This is a situation. This pandemic situation is also nowadays. So that
No, no,
sir, if we have the
no, no,
and
it's
if
a
we
very
have,
valid point. One nation, one technology.
sir, if we have the will, we can do it.
Adagi, can you
All
help with my
resolve,
sound?
we should have the
Yes, yes,
scientific
Mr. Baba, I 100% agree with you. One nation, one technology.
Technology.
we should
You
make it
people.
happen.
And tough cup here. See, I have so many tough cup meetings. Odisha, Pondicherry, Kerala. I know the people. I don't need tell this time because we are the friends. Odisha, I know the serious position in Odisha. I was 3 years in Bhubaneswar tough cup. So the technology aspect, we are discussing the technology aspect. One panacea for this, one solution I have suggested, not a job. The immediate attention to rurals, not the regulator only, the rurals. I mean rurals. Orally, I am different politics. I am not telling the politics. But my Adaji and myself was joined with one point, that is technology aspect is a unique technology that we can have joined with our state federation. We the state federations conducted 5 or 6 workshops every year, training program to equip the employees with the technology aspect. Now we are conducting online classes, state federation, how we are participating Zoom meetings, etc. We encourage. But the thing is that bank does not afford the cost not to have to with the mechanism of the technology also. That aspect to be discussed to improve our customer relationship. Okay, that is my suggestion.
I agree. So with this new technology vision document which Reserve Bank has just issued, I think they have involved the federations and NAFCUB into creating this platform. So your perspective that we should have a common platform and common technology for all banks, if all federations come together and put it, with a resolve that we will do it, I think yes, it can happen, and we will really make it. We can make it happen. I mean, it's her mindset which we have to change. Because I have been in this sector, I have been also implementing software, and I have had this experience. So I know how difficult it is for people to change and accept something which is uniform or something
It
which is
is
standard. Because
No.
everyone wants it their own way.
See, the last 10 years, we have participated so many meetings, not in the online meeting. We have in the physical meeting. We have participated. We have met so many occasions. How far have to be fulfilled our ambitions? That is still in our storage.
Right.
We are keeping in the computer. We are storing in the computers. Nothing happened.
Jai Verma
Yes.
sahab, it is the
We-
challenge
we-
within the organization also. Bankikar sahab, right? Adoption of
Pardon?
Now we
technology.
have to wind up
Challenge.
because our time flow is getting over. So, a quick 1 minute. What is the key takeaway for our viewers?
It is
So,
very, very.
Jay has already mentioned.
No, let's see, Manikarji is beautifully following us. Like in
One nation, one
last,
technology.
that is our conclusion. One nation, one technology.
Yeah, Anurag ji.
Sir,
Yeah, Anurag ji, आपका vision. What
Sir,
will you have for the viewers?
we'll have to work very hard and find a solution for technological upgradations. We know that technology is expensive, but in the longer run, it is expected to save cost and
Without
be most
technology, we cannot
cost
survive.
effective. Without technology, the future is just not there.
Nothing will be there. Nothing.
Nothing. Correct.
नरेंद्र
Yes.
जी,
That is,
आपके विचार.
that is a one and other part. One a single coin, one part, another part. Technology, the other part is security.
Yeah.
They can wind up, sir.
Sir,
Hello.
thank you.
Sir.
Thank you very much. It was quite engaging.
हाँ जी
हाँ नरेंद्र जी आप you can share some points actually just 1 minute.
Quite a pleasure.
ओके मेरा ये मानना है कि पहले भी मेरा ये
Into
कहना
the-
स्ट्रांगली टेक्नोलॉजी में बिलीव करने वाला हूँ कि मेरा ये मानना है कि टेक्नोलॉजी के बिना हम बैंक को सरवाइव नहीं कर
जी।
सकते, हम अपने आप को सर्विस नहीं करते. नाउ इसमें वन थिंग इज मोर एड टेक्नोलॉजी विद सिक्योरिटी.
Before conclusion, I convey my regards to the coordinators, even coordinators, but especially Siddiq. I very much thankful to Siddiq ji because he must take so much effort for to participate me in this section. So I am grateful to you, sir, and most grateful because you are accepting our federation. When we are neglecting somewhere, but accepting you, okay? I am really appreciating.
मेरा इसमें ये कहना है कि टेक्नोलॉजी के बिना हम ऑर्गेनाइज हम वी कैन नॉट सर्वाइव, वी कैन नॉट सर्विस अवर कस्टमर, वी कैन नॉट रिटेन अवर कस्टमर. टेक्नोलॉजी के साथ मैं इसमें एक चीज और ऐड कर रहा हूं जो मंकीकर साहब कह रहे हैं, टेक्नोलॉजी विद सिक्योरिटी. जैसा भी आरबीआई का अभी सर्कुलर आया है कि आपको सीसा आपको अपॉइंट करना है, आपको टेक्नोलॉजी के लिए रिजल्ट्स बनाने हैं. मतलब हाउ द सीरियस एंड हाउ द टेक्नोलॉजी इज द इम्पोर्टेंट फॉर द अवर बिजनेस. मे आई राइट?
Correct.
Okay, wind up, sir.
See, we can always have shared basis. We can have a shared system.
Shared is the only
I mean, we have
solution for the small banks. For us,
कोऑपरेटिव
yes.
का मतलब ही शेयरिंग एंड केयरिंग है.
So before we conclude the session,
Yes.
I just like to say thanks to Mankikar Saab for such a wonderful discussion, arranging the discussion, and also heartily thanks to Anurag sir actually for supporting us, be a part of this session actually. Nandaji, thank you very much for joining with us actually in this session. Advocate Jerma sir, thank you very much for your time. I know you had some scheduled meeting actually, which was supposed to happen, but you canceled for this panel. I really appreciate time from all the panelists. It's a wonderful session, and looking forward for your support because in next year we again planning Cooperative Bank Roadshow, which we have done last year, a New Age Banking Roadshow actually in 10 cities. Hopefully, once the pandemic get little settled down, we will starting a physical event, and the theme of that event, which we're thinking was what next for Cooperative Bank. So in that, we'll be covering the topic of how to retain the new customer with different marketing strategies, different ideas. We're going to get some marketing groups from the industry, actually expert, who will come and share the thoughts about how, as a small organization, a small bank, how to attract the rural market, what are the cost-effective way, and how we can reach the rural people actually. So
Thank you, Zahid. Thank you for giving all of us an opportunity to be on the panel.
thank you
Thank
very
you.
much, sir.
Thank
Manju,
you.
I also-
thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you, Zahid. And thank you, everyone.
Also-
All panelists. It was really
Thank
a
you.
great
Okay,
occasion.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you, Narendra ji. Thank you, Anurag ji. Thank you, Jairam ji.